Now this is an older toilet. It might not look older, but it is. And the reason why is they no longer do the ball. And this has never been replaced, and it probably at one point in time in the next year should be upgraded to save you water. Because what it's doing, like I said, this is older. You should have a hose going from right here. For some reason it's draining down. I don't know why. So you are missing a hose that goes down into here to fill in. And this is clogged, and that's probably why it's filling interior.